When people start saying, I'm going to put myself first, they're starting to think, oh my God, like, am I being selfish or a bad person? And there's actually a lot written about healthy narcissism versus damaging narcissism. Healthy narcissism is something we all should have. It's that ability to know your worth so that you can reach your goals in life. It pivots into unhealthy narcissism when it gets to that point of at the cost of other people. And when you do it kind of in a ruthless way where you're using others for the sake of yourself, which is a completely very different thing. It destroys relationships when you just do everything for yourself and at the detriment of others. Where if you are able to harness your potential and strive to reach your goals, usually it's to the benefit of yourself and the people around you.
Absolutely.
So you bring other people along with you.
Yes.
You become an example, you become a shining light, you become a guide instead of this, a horrible person who's trampling on everybody else.
I always use the analogy of the photograph. Instead of being the person behind the camera taking the photograph of everybody else in the picture, you're actually putting yourself in the picture too, and just remembering that you're part of it. You're important too. You know, when people think, oh, I might become arrogant if I thought I was important or if I thought I was something special, you know. But it's actually not about arrogance, because it's not about thinking you're better than somebody else. It's just about knowing you're equally as important.
And you also have a valuable contribution to make.
Yeah, absolutely.
My name is Alzan Marnan. I'm a clinical psychologist. In week 1, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can truly start believing that you are good enough by changing the wiring of your brain. And in week 4, I'm going to talk to you about understanding your stress response through the lens of polyvagal theory.
I'm Tracy Mallon. I'm a counsellor, psychotherapist and mindfulness trainer. And in week 2, we'll be discussing identifying self-care.
I'm Aoife Gaffney. I'm a money mindset mentor and author. Week 3, we'll be discussing demanding your worth and putting yourself first financially.